Okay, so in lesson 11, we're learning how to style new elements using CSS. So on puzzle 1, bubble 1, you'll see the list of code you're going to be learning how to use. Let's go ahead and start applying it. We're going to look at number 9, which is the assessment. And in this page, we're already given a pre-made web page. What we're going to want to do is we're going to follow the directions, I guess. So we've learned some different styles. Now it's time to try for yourself. So here's the web page we've seen before, but it needs more style. So we're going to go ahead and give this web page a color, a background color. We're going to make all the images go to the right, make all the text a different color, and then add any other styles we want. So we know we're dealing with the style sheet, and the first thing I always make sure is that the style sheet is linked up, and it automatically is in code.org. So generally we don't need a fuss with that. But in this case, we notice it already is. I'm going to then go to the style sheet, and let's just kind of follow the directions. So give the web page a background color. To do that, we're modifying the whole body, right? Everything. So we're going to say background color. And we're going to choose a light color. I'll go ahead and choose Azure. The next step is to add all images to the right page. So for now, we're done with the body. I'm going to go ahead and close the bracket. So we're modifying the images now. So I'm going to open a new bracket. And for the images, what are we doing? We're making them all go to the right side of the page. So we're going to use float. And we're using the right, so it's the right side of the page. And for now, we're done with the images, because the next thing is they want us to make all the text a different color. So we could go down, we could do paragraph, headings, and so forth. But since we're changing all of the text, we're gonna want to go to the body. That'll be faster. And we'll just say color. We use a dark color, dark green. Dark magenta, dark golden rose. Let's try that. Okay. And finally, we could add any other styles we want. So, maybe we might want to start maybe modifying the paragraphs a bit, perhaps. So maybe I could say paragraph, and maybe I just want to change the width to, I don't know, 450 pixels. Let's do 500 pixels. Okay, I think I'm okay with that for now. Maybe I want to modify the headings a bit, practice of what we learned in lesson 6. So the heading, maybe we could say, I don't know, font, family, and maybe we'll just choose cursive. Don't want to change anything else. Maybe font, maybe the font size. We could choose, 24 pixels. Let's see if that works. Let's make that a little bit bigger, 36 perhaps. And we'll go with that. And maybe now we want to put borders around the images. So I'm going to go to the borders. I'm going to go ahead and do border. Let's start with the border style, I guess. Let's do, solid. Where's the solid? Let's do solid for now. Let's change the border color so it looks a little different. So maybe I might do border color. And I don't know, maybe a more colorful one, blue violet perhaps. And maybe one last thing, maybe we'll change the border radius. I want to do pixels, something like that. So we've kind of went ahead and we kind of practiced some of our CSS that we learned in lesson 11. Hopefully this video helps.